Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm basically taking the Asuna out for one last ride, a Sunday evening here, and I figured I'd take the chance to actually take the Asuna out before, it starts snowing here. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna go for a drive here, take the Asuna out again. As you guys know, the Golf R has been stored for the winter, and I figured, I'll take some time here alone with Asuna and drive it one more time before the snow comes. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully we're smooth sailing here. Stay tuned. So we're gonna head downtown a little bit and just see the nice view of the downtown from here. I guess it's nice as well. If you guys can see beautiful downtown Calgary, that is. It's hard to see because guys, we're now on the road. Yeah, I really can't be looking forward for the winter here, and now won't be able to enjoy the cars, that's for sure. It just sucks, as I have just done a segment on how bad it is being a car guy in the winter time. It's so bad that we can't really enjoy cars in the winter time. So as much as I can, take the car out, enjoy it, especially on Sunday evening. Let's go for a nice ride. It's really, it's very peaceful right now, very quiet. There's still cars around, but you know how Calgary is. There's plenty of cars around, but it's always nice to go for a Sunday drive, either during the night or during the day, that is. Sometimes I'm too busy during the day, so I figured I'll go for a drive at night. And yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna cut the video here because I have to drive here. I don't want to get in trouble. took the Asuna out for the night, just for one last drive, and the cops stopped me for my plate because they've never recognized the plate for the Asuna here. I have a vintage plate that's really a fairly old plate that is kind of typed in or tugged in with the actual plate, and that's basically what you can do for a lot of the classic cars. And the cops seem to think that they ran the plate that I have now and they can't seem to find anything with it, so they're trying to figure out at this point. Hopefully I don't get in trouble here. I'm just trying to drive the car one more time before I get to store the car before the winter. And looks like I got stopped here. Not speeding or anything, it's just mainly my plate, and they never recognized the plate quite yet. So anyways, hopefully everything's okay. Hey, thank you.
Okay, so I read up a little bit on it. So the only way you can have this plate attached to your vehicle while you're driving is if you're on your way to like a car show.
Yeah, basically.
You're part of a parade. It's on display at the show, or you're taking it to a servicing point.
Oh,
otherwise
yeah.
it has to have your other plate attached to it.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to leave you with just a warning today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, but just make sure either when you get to your plates, you switch it over, or
I see.
When you get home, make sure you do that.
Thank you so much. I was getting me some buddies at the bubble tea place.
All right.
So.
Well, you have a good night.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night. Wash my windshield, guys. It's so bad, not realizing how bad it is. Just putting camera on. First time to do a in-car video on inside the Asuna here, so never really thought it would be this bad. I need to clean the inside the windshield here, that's for sure. I truly didn't want the night to end, so I figured I'd take more photos of the Asuna with a downtown view, and this what happened.
Hey, thank you, man. You're the best.
No worries, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yes, sir.
I just met these guys here, a bunch of musicians here, rappers, and they pretty much liked the car, so they wanted to actually use the car for the video here.
Yes, sir.
Sa mga naniwala sa amin nung una para tuloy yung makuha mga bagong tulong na ibabato, lalo na kapag sa modo ay hindi mo na mapigilan pakinggan. Pag kami na lumapag sa entablado ay napapabilis, dinig ko na kung gano'ng kapulido, sadya kami malipit, kung sa amin may abangan ay wala kang take. Ito purong masika, why you gotta hate? Kapag sumulit matika lamang isa sa buhay, mga tunay lang makakarelate. Money than the base, so we gotta get paid. I don't wanna waste no time, I be investing. I don't wanna be just fine, I want the best thing. I don't wanna be that guy just manifesting. I want the best thing, I want the best thing. I don't wanna waste no time, I be investing. I don't wanna be just fine, I want the best thing. I don't wanna be that guy just manifesting. I want the best thing, I want the best thing.
Okay. Stay lang kayo dyan. Stay lang. Hawakan ko lang kayo ng
Habang minamamalayan na yan ay ang progress, lagyan ng style yung talent. Para to sa mga naniwala sa amin nung una, sinigaw para tuloy yung makuha. Mga bagong tulong na ibabato, lalo na kapag ang modo ay hindi mo na mapigilan. Pag kami na lumabag sa entablado ay napapabilis. Hindi ka naman kung gaano kapilido, sadya kami malupit. Kung sa amin kaibahan wala kang test. Ito puro musika, why you gotta hate? Kapag sumulat matikal ang mga isa sa buhay, mga tunay lang makakarelate. Only then the best, so we gotta get paid. I don't wanna waste my time, I be investing. I don't wanna be just fine, I want the best thing. I don't wanna be that guy just manifesting. I want the best thing, I want the best thing. I don't wanna waste my time, I be investing. I don't wanna be just fine, I want the best thing. I don't wanna be that guy just manifesting. I want the best thing, I want the best thing.
go.
Want it all, money fast car, diamonds, gold chains and champagnes and every damn thing. Want it all, houses, investment, business, a couple of Benzes. You already know, want it all. Always going up and I never fall. Got a lot of reasons that I can call. I wanna be rich, fuck being famous. I wanna be great, fuck being nameless. No time for a break, gonna be the greatest. A couple hundred bands and I got the changes. I just never die and I'm tunay. Mga salita nilang bumubuhay. Para sa iyong makulay. Lakay, mga pare. Kasi di pwede di lumigari. Hatakan pataas na palagi. Confide, mga pare. Tas kita-kits na sa tinali. Lapitan ba natin ang gari? Lakay, I don't wanna waste my time, I be investing. I don't wanna be just fine, I want the best thing. I don't wanna be that guy.
Well, guys, I just got back in the garage now. Well, what a drive. What a night. What a Sunday drive this is. As you guys can see, was just an amazing night of interesting drama here throughout the process. Anyways, as you guys have seen the video just now, the Asuna is back on the garage now. Here is nicely parked. I'm just airing it up because it's super hot right now. Yeah, the car did really well overall. Amazing. I really love this car. Drives so nicely. Really brings back so much memory. This car is amazing. I took my wife here in the first date on this car. Yeah, no, it's amazing. It's just so many history on this car, that's for sure. So anyways, guys, yeah, no, that was an interesting, if you guys are seeing the video, I don't know, I was just driving nicely, enjoying my Sunday, and all of a sudden the cops stopped me, and out of nowhere they just basically got behind me and basically checked my car, and it looks like they ran the plate number and end up not finding anything, so they pulled me over. So anyways, I didn't know per se that you actually need to put the actual registered plate, not the attached plate, because this plate is just a, you know, for this car. I thought that I can use it for, even driving around, it looks like it's only for car shows. And yeah, no, I guess what the cop was saying, that I just had to basically replace the actual plate every time I transport it, I guess. And then if I'm on the actual show or things along those lines, then I can put that plate back in there. So anyways, yeah, another interesting part, I was actually just minding my own business and taking videos, taking pictures of Asuna, because I like the backdraft on that around that area, the Max Bell area there, where the downtown view is so beautiful. So I'm just trying to take a video of the car because I like that area. I like to drive around that area and take the video and photos of the Asuna, or any of the cars, that is. And yeah, no, I ran into these three gentlemen, one of their friend that are videographer, and they were actually there to do a shooting. They're shooting their video, they're musicians, and that they're releasing a new video, and they just came and approached me, and they never seen this car before. They were asking me, hey, what kind of car is this? Like, we've never seen this car before. And so, and it looks beautiful in the whole 9 yards. And they figured, hey, do you mind if we can incorporate the video in the background and dance around the car while we're performing our, music videos. So anyways, that was kind of interesting, guys, as you guys can see. Yeah, what a night. What a way to actually pack this car for the winter and have it hibernate for the winter here. One last ride. In fact, it's the best ride I've ever had this year on this car. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little vlog that I did, and what an amazing night that is. What an interesting dramatic night that is. So peace out.